Okay, this is sort of typical of a hellebore in the spring, is they all get all this dead stuff on them. So all you really do is go inside and carefully snip off all the old foliage. And you can see inside that there's some live stuff, like this is a dead mushy flower, so it's not really of any use. But right beside it are some new flowers coming on, so we want to protect those and not have them go away. We want to enjoy those, so they're coming on. But basically what I do is I just go around the plant. I'm going to do this relatively quickly. I'm just grabbing the foliage and trimming as I go. And I'll come back around once just to make sure I get everything. And then trying carefully not to snip off any flowers yet. I might snip off the dead ones once I get to that point. So, there we go. And so, there's still a few dead leaves in here. But this is typical of a hellebore and what you would see. This is Hellebores orientalis. And again, I'm just sort of going to look inside here, and I'm finding a few dead ones, and I can tell they're really, it looks like a flower is going to bloom there, but it's not really. It's got a mushy stem, so it just popped right off. So those are ones that have frozen over the winter, and so I'm just sort of tidying them up a little bit. But I'm not going to take too much more off right now, because I want them to push up on their own. And so I'll get rid of these leaves so you can see sort of what we're left with. And these hellebores are often evergreen. So on a mild winter they would keep their leaves through the winter, but on a winter like this they freeze, and they also get buried under the snow, so they don't. They tend to go brown and mushy and go rotten because they've got frost damage, plus they're buried in snow, so they go moldy. So that's the basic routine. Now I'll just let that go for a while. If you tune back in a little bit later, I'll likely have another follow-up video where I talk a little bit more about how this one has come forward and just see what it does. So that's it for today, and thanks for tuning in to GrowerCoach.com.